lovies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the girl Gisha underscore everything, and today I am back with another video. So if I get straight into this video, guys, so like it, comment and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload another video. Yes. So today I'm going to do a reaction video to Gabriel Henrik, Vision of Love. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
Treating me kind, sweet destiny, carried me through desperation to the one that's waiting for me. It took so long, still won't believe. Somehow the one that I needed who found me eventually. I had a vision of love, and it was all that you gave it to me. Pray to the night, not so alone, sorry for alienation, carried the weight on my own. Had to be strong, so I believe, and now I know I'm succeeding, finding a place I can save. I had a vision with love, and it was all that you gave it to me. I had a vision with love.
This song is good, trust me. Come on, man. Come on. Yes. Yes. You did that, man. Ooh. Ah. This song is so good, like OMG. If you're subscribed, also make sure that you follow my social media down in the description box, and everything else that's down there, make sure that you follow it, click links down there, whatever. Please do that. And yes, y'all, and without further ado, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.